Hello everyone, and welcome. Today I'm going to share some of the most common crochet stitches I use in my projects. Think of this as a reference video you can come back to whenever you need a quick reminder of how a stitch is made. First up is the slip knot. To make it, hold the yarn on your left hand, insert your hook, and turn it a full 360 degrees to create a twist. Then, yarn over, and you will have 2 loops on your hook. Next, use your fingers to pick up the first loop and make it a little bigger. After that, loop it over the second loop. A great thing about this knot is that you can easily undo it by pulling on the yarn tail. Now, let's do it one more time. Hold the yarn in your left hand, insert your hook, and twist it around. Yarn over, grab that second loop, and pull it right over the first. And there you have it. This stitch is the starting point for a foundation chain that you'll use for many projects, especially long, flat ones like scarves. Now let's talk about the chain stitch, which is the next step after the slip knot to create your foundation. To make a chain, simply yarn over and pull that yarn through the loop that's on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. You repeat that motion over and over to create a longer piece. The longer you make your chain, the more stitches you can place into your foundation later on. To form a magic circle, create a loop. The short end of the yarn is to face down. Using your right hand, pinch the loop. On your left hand, wrap the yarn over your pinky finger, then wrap the yarn over your index finger. Pick up the loop using your left thumb and middle finger. Place your hook into the loop and grab the yarn like this. Pull the yarn through the loop and create a chain. You'll have a magic circle. It is an adjustable loop that is the foundation of most amigurumi projects. Many projects start with 6 single crochets in the loop, which I'll go through in the next section. To make a single crochet, start by placing your hook into the stitch. Now, yarn over and pull through. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over once and pull your hook through both of those loops. And just like that, you've created a single crochet. Once again, place your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. The single crochet is one of the most common stitches you'll use, and it's great for creating a compact and tidy look. It's often the preferred stitch when you're making amigurumi or plush toys because of how dense the stitches are. For amigurumi projects, you'll usually begin with 6 single crochet stitches in the magic circle. The more stitches in the magic circle, the larger the hole will be after you tighten it. Another method to create the single crochet is by yarning over backwards. Start by placing your hook into the stitch, yarn over backwards, and pull through. Yarn over forward and pull through both loops. It might seem like a small detail, but it results in a much cleaner looking stitch. I'll show you the difference on these 2 samples. The right sample is crocheted with a backwards yarn over. It has a much more uniform pattern as compared to the one on the left. To make a double crochet, start by yarning over your hook first before placing the hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the final 2 loops. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over, place your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. The double crochet stitch is taller than the single crochet, which means it can help you cover a larger amount of space more quickly. However, because it is taller, it isn't as tight as the single crochet, and you can more easily place your finger through the stitches. To make a treble stitch, you'll start by yarning over your hook twice before placing the hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Yarn over again and pull through 2 more loops. Then, for the final time, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Let's quickly do that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. When you compare this to the previous stitches, you'll see that this one is far taller. It's usually used in patterns like making flower petals, where taller and shorter stitches are combined to create a round and flat shape. Last is the slip stitch, which is the shortest stitch of all. To make a slip stitch, place your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Now pull the second loop over the first loop, going straight through. Let's do that one more time. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull it all the way through, slipping the second loop over the first. This stitch is very useful if you need a shorter or less obvious stitch. It can be used to frame the edge of a project. The downside is that it is difficult to work another stitch into later. Because of this, it's most often used as a final finishing stitch. Here you can clearly see the difference in the heights of all these stitches. You'll notice that the taller the stitches are, the more space there is between them, making it easier for light or something to pass through. For final review, the slip stitch is the shortest, creating a very tight, compact fabric. The single crochet is a bit taller and also creates a dense, sturdy fabric. The double crochet is taller still, with more space in between, giving you a faster working, drapey fabric. And finally, the treble crochet is the tallest of all, with the most open and airy texture. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you found this video helpful and would like to support my work, you can visit my Ko-fi page or store. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye!